Children, in this video class, we will study about polynomials. In class 8, we have understood about algebraic expressions, and we are carrying the same algebraic expressions here also. This is written one algebraic expression, and in which condition it will be called a polynomial. There are certain conditions. कुछ conditions होती हैं जबकि एक algebraic expression polynomial कहलाता है. Which are the conditions? वो कौन सी conditions हैं? Number 1, algebraic expression in terms of variable. There should be one algebraic expression in terms of a variable. There should be an algebraic expression in terms of a variable. This is first condition. Second condition, variable exponent should be a whole number. It should not be negative, and it should not be a fraction. Means the power of variable should be a whole number. It cannot be a negative number, and it cannot be a fraction number as well. So if in the algebraic expression exponent of the variable is written negative or it's written in fraction, then that algebraic expression will not be a polynomial. First, it should be algebraic expression. Second, the exponent should not be negative and should not be a fraction number. It should be a whole number. I hope आपको दोनों कंडीशन समझ में आ गई हैं. फर्स्ट कंडीशन में ये algebraic expression होना चाहिए, और सेकंड कंडीशन में जो एक्सपोनेंट है that should be a whole number. वो नेगेटिव नंबर नहीं हो सकता है और ना ही वो फ्रैक्शन हो सकता है. So these are the two conditions. Third condition, number of terms are finite. In this algebraic expression, the total number of terms should be finite. Means इस algebraic expression के अंदर जितने भी total terms आ रहे हैं वो total terms countable होने चाहिए. These should be finite in counting. If these terms are not finite in counting, then it will not be a polynomial. Hopefully all the three conditions are clear. First, it is an algebraic expression. Second, its exponent is a whole number. And third, the total number of terms are finite in the expression. So these are the conditions to be a polynomial when an algebraic expression becomes a polynomial. Now we are coming on the types of polynomial. First classification is done on the basis of terms. Any polynomial can be of several types on the basis of its terms. If the polynomial has one term, then it is called monomial. If it has two terms, then it will be called binomial. If it has three terms, then it is called trinomial. And if it has more than three terms, then it will be called a polynomial. Let us take a few examples. This is written a polynomial, but this is carrying only one term. So this will be one example of monomial. This polynomial, it is having two terms here. So this is one of the example of binomial. This expression is having three terms here. So this is an example of trinomial. But here it's having more than three terms. So this is an example of polynomial. Now, on the basis of number of variables also we can write it in two forms. Variables के basis पर भी हम इसको दो तरीके से लिख सकते हैं. Polynomials दो टाइप से लिखे जा सकते हैं. फर्स्ट टाइप, when only one variable is present. When in a polynomial only one variable is present, this is there. You see, in this only x is present here. Only x variable is present here. So this is one type of presentation. Second type of polynomials are there where more than one variable is attached. You see, this is one of the example. Here two variables are coming, x as well as y. So when in a polynomial more than one variable is coming, so this is also one more presentation. Now we are coming on degree of a polynomial. What is degree of a polynomial? Degree of a polynomial is the highest power of variable present. If in a polynomial we count its highest power of variable, then that is called its degree. For example, we are coming on this. Here you see variable highest power. Variable highest power is 2 and here it is 1. So highest power is 2 out there. So the highest power of variable, that will be called degree of the polynomial. It means here degree is 2. In this case, second case here degree will be, exponent will be counted by adding both the variables. So you see this term exponent will be 3. This term exponent is 1. This term exponent is 1. And this term exponent is total 3. So its degree will be 3 here. What will be its degree? Its degree will be 3 only. We'll just add 2 and 1 and its degree will be 3. Now on the basis of degree also we can divide a polynomial in so many types. What are these? If the degree of a polynomial is 1, then it is called a linear polynomial. When degree of the polynomial is 2, then it is called a quadratic polynomial. And when degree of the polynomial is 3, then it is called a cubic polynomial. So these are types of polynomial on the basis of degree, and these are two ways in which a polynomial can be written. And these are division of polynomials on the basis of terms, and these are conditions when an algebraic expression becomes a polynomial. Hopefully this is clear to everybody, and rest we will discuss in other lecture.